Hi class, good afternoon. I am back. Teacher LM here. So this morning we study about the five senses, which are the sense of sight, sense of smell, sense of hearing, sense of taste, and sense of touch. So let's continue our lesson for this afternoon about the sense of the five senses rather. Okay, so again, sense of sight help us to see colors, light or dark. Okay, so we can use our eyes to cry when we hurt or we are sad. So stars, rainbow, moon, and planets, clouds are examples of sense of sight that you can see but you cannot touch. Okay, so here are short examples of sense of sight. So circle the things below that you can see but can't touch. So example is the bird. You can see the bird but you cannot touch it when it's flying. Next one is the sun. So the sun, you can see it but you cannot touch it. Next one is an airplane. So an airplane, you can see it but you cannot touch it. The rest of the pictures, the shoes, the ring, and the hammer, you can see it and you can touch it. Next one. So let's talk about the sense of hearing. So sense of hearing, we use our ears to hear sound. So these all pictures here has a sound. Example, the drum, alarm clock, the headphone, the electric guitar, the radio, and the last, the bell. Okay, so these things have the sound. Okay, and you're going to use your sense of hearing or your ears in order to hear these things. Okay, next one, let's answer about the sense of hearing. Okay, so circle the items you can hear. So here in the first line, we have alarm clock, cactus, and apple. Which of the picture that you can hear or there is a sound? All right, so the alarm clock. The second one has a piano, t-shirt, and a wolf. Third, book, phone, and a violin. So let's answer at the third part first. Okay, the third part have book, telephone, and violin. So it has a telephone, it has a sound. If somebody will call you, it will ring. So you can hear a sound. And next one is violin also. If somebody plays the violin, you can hear a sound. But teacher Ellen forgot to put the circle here, but still violin has a sound. Okay, so second part, we have a piano, t-shirt, and a wolf. Which of the pictures has a sound? Okay, of course, piano has a sound and a wolf has a sound. Okay? Okay, next one, we have sense of smell. So, sense of smell, we use our nose to smell fragrance and odor. So, these are the pictures that has a smell, a good smell and a bad smell. So, trash can, smoke, coffee, flower, perfume, and a pig has a smell, okay? Good and bad smell. Garbage, bad. This smoke is bad, this smoke is good, the flower is good, perfume is good, the pig is bad smell. Let's answer about the sense of smell. Okay, so how to answer, right? D for the things with bad smell and G for those with good smell. Okay, so let's continue answering this one later.